Hello! I am super excited to introduce to you today our aeroLiFi starter kit, coming in a nice box, coming fresh from production, and I can't wait to open it, to look inside the box and see what you get to get connected with LiFi. Let's go into it and open the box. So let's take a closer look on what is in the box, what is in the LiFi starter kit. We have the access point, which is the core component to create your LiFi network in your room. On this side we have the dongle, which you need to connect your end devices to the LiFi network. And of course some cables to get everything connected to your home network or company network. To learn more about our products, check our website, get in touch with us, and we are always here for you to answer your questions and your needs.